All right, let's solve 95 divided by 4. Start by breaking those apart in the tens and ones. And your division step is, can 4 go into 9? And 4 does go into 9. If you'd like, you can make a 4's tower. Oh, too high. That 4 goes into 9 2 times. Once you divide, next comes multiplication. And you take your 2 times 4, which is 8, which also happens to be the top of that 4's tower. You subtract after multiplication, and you get 1 remainder, and then you bring down the 5. Again, once you bring down, you repeat, go all the way back to division. You have 15 now in your dividend. How many times does 4 go into 15? So if I continued my tower, ooh, 16's too high. How many times does 4 go into 15? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. That's my division step. My multiplication step is 3 times 4, the number I just wrote down for my division, times my divisor, or the top of my tower, if you want to think about it that way. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract those and looking for remainders, and there is a remainder of 3. My quotient is 23, remainder 3.